Okay, I'm going to go over expected value. This is a new unit, and this is the last thing that you are going to need to know before your performance final and your final exam. Okay, so expected value is just probability distributions within a set, okay? The list of all the possible outcomes or values and their possibilities, or the probabilities that they're going to happen. Probability distributions are usually displayed using a table or like a little chart. The requirements of a probability distribution, all the probabilities are always between 0 and 1. Okay, the sum of all the probabilities within that set or distribution is also equal to 1. Okay, so this is an example. So the Boston Red Sox game, X is the number of home runs the Red Sox can hit. Here's an estimate of the probability distribution in 2004. So the probability of them having 0 home runs is 0.23. The probability of them having 1 run is 0.38. The probability of them having 2 is 0.22. 3 is 0.13. 5 is 0.01. And 6 or more are 0.00. Okay, so basically what this question is asking you for is what would P of 4, so what would the probability of 4 home runs have to be in order for this distribution to be valid? So what I said before was I could have 6 or more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0 home runs. Okay, that's my set. All the probabilities have to equal 1. Okay, so you're going to take 1, you're going to subtract 0.23, you're going to subtract 0.38, you're going to subtract 0.22, subtract 0.13, and subtract 0.01, and you get 0.03. So now if you were to add all of these probabilities together, you would get 1. Okay? Expected value. It's an average value found by multiplying the value of each event by its probability and then finding the sum of the products. So expected value is another word for mean or average. Okay? Expected value of a probability distribution. So the probability distribution of a loaded die is shown. So again, there's only 6 sides to a dice. And I'm asking you what the expected value is if you roll 1 time. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the probability of re-rolling a 1 and multiply it by its probability. You're going to add it to the probability of you're going to add it to rolling a 2 times that probability. Add it to your 3 times probability. Add it to 4 times your probability. Add 5 times that probability. And add it to rolling a 6 probability. So your expected value when you multiply each one and add it up is 3.98. Another thing I do want to mention that yes, this is my expected value, but if you look at all the probabilities, all of these probabilities, when you add them together, equal 1. So that's what we were doing on the other page. So the probability distribution is what I have here. Okay, that's the whole point. So the probability should equal 1, and then my expected value is 3.98. Okay, expected value in games. So for a game at the carnival, you get to roll a 10-sided dice, numbered 1 to 10. If you roll less than an 8, you win $8. Unfortunately, if you roll anything else, you lose $10. how much money do you expect to make or lose for one game? So we're just going to make a chart just like the other ones. Okay, so X is going to represent my money. And then I have my probability. Okay. So if actually that's not going to be my money. That's going to be what I roll. Okay. So it said if I roll an 8, okay. Oh, hold on. Let's go back. This is going to be my money. Okay, so this is how much money I'm going to earn. So I'm going to earn $8 if I roll a number less than 8. Okay, so numbers less than 8 on our dice from 1 to 10, okay, are 7 out of 10. Okay, so I have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 are all less than 8. So less than 8 is 7 out of 10 because it's a 10-sided die. Okay, then, okay, I'm going to lose $10, so negative $10 if I roll anything else. Okay, so numbers that are more than 8. So that's 8, 9, and 10. So 3 numbers. Okay, so now I have to see how much money I'm going to make. Okay, so I'm going to say 8 times 7 over 10 plus negative 10 times 3 over 10. Okay, so when you do that and add them all up, you're going to make about $2.60. So that's your expected amount of money to win. Okay, so this one. Again, we're at a carnival, and there is a Wheel of Fortune game where you can bet $1 on numbers from 1 to 20. If you bet $1 and the wheel lands on your number, you win $5. But if the wheel lands on any other number, you lose all your money. How much can you expect to win from this game? Okay, so this one's a little bit different. Okay, so we are going to say the amount of money is going to be on top, which is my X, and then our probability is on the bottom. Okay, so you're paying $1 to play, and then you win $5 if you land on your number. Okay, so you're paying $1. Let's say you win, you're getting $5 in return, but that really only means that you really won $4. Okay, so here is going to be a 4. So instead of winning $5, you're actually winning 4 because you spent $1 playing. Okay, now that probability is 1 out of 20 because you are choosing a number from 1 to 20. Okay, and then you are going to lose your money. So you only paid $1 to play, so you're going to lose that $1 if you choose any of the 19 numbers out of the 20. Okay, so the reason this 4 is a 4 is because you won $5, but you spent $1 to play. And then this is negative 1 because you paid $1 and then you just lost it. Okay, so you didn't win anything. Okay, so you're really doing 4 times 1 over 20 plus, negative 1 times 19 over 20. So your expected value is negative 75 cents. Okay, so you're expected to lose 75 cents. All right, card games. You draw 1 card from a standard deck of playing cards. You pick a heart, you win $10. If you pick a face card, which is not a heart, you win $8. If you pick any other card, you lose 6. What is the expected value for playing 1 time? Okay, so we're going to set up what we pick in our probability. Okay, so if, let's say this is going to be your money again. Okay, so to win $10, okay, so to win $10, you have to pick a heart. Now, there are 13 hearts out of a 52 deck. Okay, you're going to win $8 if you pick a face card, which are 9 out of 52. So your face cards are Jack, Queen, King, and you have four. You have 4, but they cannot be a heart. Okay, so face cards are Jack, Queen, and King. Okay, so you have Jack, Queen, King. For jacks, you cannot have hearts. So you're gonna have a spade, a club, and a diamond. Spade, club, diamond, spade, club, diamond. So you have 9 total here. Okay, and then you are gonna lose $6 if you pick any other card. Okay, so there are 30 out of 52. Okay, so here you are going to, I'm going to do the work up here. You're going to do 10 times 13 over 52 plus 8 times 9 out of 52 plus -6 times 30 out of 52. And that should give you expected value of 42 cents. So you're expected to win that much money.